This is our solution for emergency management, rapid response services. This stack right here is 2 homes, and I'm going to show you one fully assembled. This is expandable home footprint, and the home you see that it builds is right over here. And I'm going to take you on a short tour of it. Later on in another video, we'll show you the actual assembly. Everything that you see on the exterior of the walls is inside those packages, laid flat for easy storage. Interior, flat assembled storage spaces, bathroom, kitchenette area, living room, and sleeping area. Gives people some semblance of life rather than living in a tent or in an auditorium. A large private space. Quick to assemble.